Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using 4 of these 2x3 frames from Dollar Tree. I remove the inserts from them and pull off the little stands. I then trace out the inserts on some cardstock and cut those pieces out. I then paint those 4 pieces with Ivory colored chalk paint, and that's by Waverly. And then I'm taking these rub-on transfers from Dollar Tree and I'm cutting out 4 different words. I place 1 word on each of the little cardstock pieces I had painted. I'm using this stick that came with another set of transfers and rubbing on the letters onto the cardstock. And then I peel back that film slowly to make sure that all of the letters are stuck down. And I do that on each of those 4 pieces. I then place 1 on top of that glass, put the backing back on the frame. I then am hot gluing a tumbling block to each of the frames. This is the bottom side of the back of the frame. I then am hot gluing the 4 frames together. I add some hot glue to the shorter side of one frame and place it along the edge of the back of another frame. Do the same thing on the other side of that frame that's facing down on my desk. And then I hot glue the 4th one down onto those 2 that are going upward. Next, I'm taking some craft sticks and lining them up on the bottom to see how many I need. And then I'm using my Fisker shears to cut them down so they'll fit within the frames and on top of those tumbling blocks. I use my first one as the guide to cut down the rest. I then place them all down next to each other, cut 2 craft sticks that are as wide as those all together, hot glue each of them and hot glue them towards the end of each. I then paint that with French linen chalk paint, and that's by Folkart. I take that piece once it's dry and hot glue it to the bottom on top of those tumbling blocks. Next, I'm taking this pen holder I got from Dollar Tree and I'm removing the swivel from the bottom. I just unscrew it and it pops right off. And then hot glue the bottom portion of that onto the bottom of the frames. And then place the other piece on and screw that down, and that screw will go through those and the craft stick. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.